you can see, I am wearing my comfy clothes, no makeup on, and today we're participating on the Plaid Table-Scape for Fall or Winter Challenge with the Holiday Cookie Diva. She wanted us to make a tablescape with plaid, and let me say, I love plaid, but today we're doing something special. We are surprising my mom. She doesn't know that everything that we're going to lay on my table, this is my table, and welcome to my home officially. Everything we're going to lay on this table is a surprise gift for her. She lost everything in the hurricane, as we did, almost everyone here in Puerto Rico. And she lost my grandma's tablecloth. That was something really special for my family. But today, we're gonna make up for that, and we're gonna give her a whole tablescape for her. So let's get started. First of all, we're gonna take all of this that you can see here are DIYs. I made all of this. The fun part. I have this stand for some decor, and I'm gonna put it right here, and we're gonna start decorating. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, this is just an arrangement of ornaments and some greenery. They are just ornaments and greenery. Look, we have our Santa Claus. We have here our star, our beautiful candles. Let me show you. This is one of our place settings. This is another one. As you can see, this is how it looks with our glasses. And you can see I went all mad for plaid right here. And for ornaments. Our centerpiece isn't something that you just have put there. You can take it off and use everything else for something that you want, maybe decorating your home or something like that. It's just arranged like that because it's a gift and a surprise. This is how it looks. Now let's call her so I can surprise her. What do you say? Let me call her. This is my mom, and I'm showing her what we created in the fall Plaid Table-Scape. What do you think, Mom?
Oh, this is so beautiful. It's very gorgeous. Really, it is. Oh my God, this Christmas is gonna be beautiful.
Okay, now for the surprise. You really like it?
Yes, I do.
Everything is yours.
What? You kidding me?
No, everything is yours for your Christmas tree.
Oh my
Those are your ornaments, your new ornaments for your
I
Christmas
can't
tree.
believe it.
And this is for your Christmas table, so we want to celebrate this year for sure in her home.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be beautiful in my table. Oh my God, thank you very much. My sweet.
Happy! We made it! Well, in this note, I'm going to end this and I'm going to pack this up. She's taking it home. So take care. Bye!